What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery in your 2022 Toyota Sienna. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom of the remote. You're going to go ahead and push this button. We're going to slide it to the left, and then we can pull it out. All right, so it just pulls right out. Now what we're going to do, there's a little slot right here. It might be kind of hard to see on camera, but we're going to use a flathead screwdriver. We're going to put it in this slot at an angle, and we're just going to open the remote. Okay, the remote just splits in half. Maybe this is a little bit better of an angle right here. It's this little slot right here. It's not the slot where the key goes in, it's a slot right here. Now we're going to want to keep the buttons facing down because they will get all loose as soon as you open the case up, and we're going to want to hold the remote like this because all this can fall out. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and pry the battery out. All right, we're going to get our new battery, and the new battery is, the size is the CR2450. I'm going to leave a link down in the description box below. It takes you to Amazon. If you want to get a new battery, you can pick one up there. The positive sign right here is going to be facing us. We're going to slide it in here, one side, and then we're going to just push it on. All right, keep everything together and put the remote cover back on, and it just snaps right back on. Like so. And we get the emergency key. We just snap it back in and you're all done. We'll hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. See you guys in the next video.